This summer, 4 school kids set out to document history.
So do you think this actually happened?
Don't joke about this stuff, man.
So tell us, what was Mary like as a student?
Mary, she was a remarkable student. She's one thing I always remember is she was always coming into class really happy and positive. She's a really good worker, got good grades. Pretty much everybody liked her, if I remember rightly.
What did you hear about Mary's murder?
Oh, I was only about, it must have been year 7 at the time, and I heard they found her over in the furnace. Just the bones left in there. Brutal. It's just brutal.
So what do you remember about the time of Mary's death?
Well, I do remember that, there was just so much suspicion around, and the police came and interviewed us all, and we really had no idea what had happened. I mean, it was just horrible. There just didn't seem to be, nobody knew what happened.
No secret can be hidden forever.
So apparently a girl was murdered in here.
Yeah, right. So there are rumours about you being involved in the murder.
Well, between you and me, I've always been quite suspicious of her.
Sometimes, it's best not to ask questions you don't want the answer to.